A lot of us are working on losing fat, and when we lose it, our goal is to keep it off permanently. But that's where most of us fail. Slowly and steadily, it creeps back upon us. Now there are thousands of diet advices, tips, tricks available on how to lose fat, what foods to eat, what foods to avoid, but very less information on how to keep it off permanently. So FPN is here to help you with that. In this video, I am going to share few things that you should avoid if you want permanent weight loss or fat loss. Hi, welcome back to Full Plate Nutrition. This is Disha Gada, degree in nutrition and dietetics and advanced diploma in weight loss and weight management. You know I am legend. My aim with this channel is that I impart you with correct knowledge about nutrition and exercise so that you can conquer health. I aim to upload once or twice in a week. So if that's of interest to you, please go down there and hug the subscribe button. And now let's get on to the video. Now mistake number 1, completely avoiding sugar. I mean the first advice that you get when you tell anyone कि मेरे को weight loss करना है is कल से sugar बंद कर दो, चीनी बंद कर दो, see your weight dropping down. I mean today everybody has become experts. सब health experts बन चुके हैं. The best one is कि अरे कल से ना चीनी की नहीं गुड़ की शक्कर पियो. So put jaggery instead of sugar in your tea. I mean that's a different topic altogether, but trust me, if your goal is weight loss, there is no difference between both. So sugar avoid karo is the most unneeded, unwanted, baseless, not supported by research, the most stupid advice you can give anyone who wants to lose weight. You know, किसी का टी और कॉफ़ी अवॉइड करवा के उनका जीना ही बंद करा दो. Simple. What I mean to say is consuming 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar in a day in 1 or 2 tea or coffee is completely okay, and it's not going to cause you any long-term health effects or harm. Of course, if you want to avoid sugar for your own health benefits or just anyway you're taking very less of it and now you want to completely avoid it, it's fine. Please go ahead with that. But if you're taking 2 to 3 teaspoons in a day just in your tea or coffee, and if you cannot do without it, that is also fine. It's not going to create huge results in your weight loss. It is not necessary that losing weight has to be difficult या suffer किए बिना नहीं होने वाला है. Instead of avoiding sugar, completely avoiding sugar or homemade laddus or homemade mithais, it's the outside food, the ultra processed food, the pizzas, burgers or health foods or diet foods which are full of trans fats or ultra processed chocolates and bahar ka mithai. These are the things you should work on avoiding. So over here, by no ways I am supporting eating excess sugar or candies or something in your meals. That's not what I am saying. What I mean to say is to completely avoid it. मतलब चीनी जैसे जहर हो गया. Don't go with that perspective. 2 or 3 teaspoons in a day in 1 or 2 cups of tea or coffee. Listen to what I am saying. That is okay, and you do not need to completely stop it to lose weight. Now second mistake is to take unadvised supplements. Honestly tell me, how many of us have fallen prey to some fat loss or fat burning supplements or teas or powders and whatnot? There are also meal replacements available these days in the market. Do you know the complete nutritional value of them? Do you really know all the single ingredients that go inside of them? We have fallen so badly into this losing weight and losing fat game that it has become desperate time, desperate measures. First of all, these fat burners hardly increase your metabolism by few percentage. And even if they do that, until what time? Until you take them. After that, what? I have really met so many people who fallen ill. Their health was completely destroyed. Their digestive system was completely destroyed after taking these meal replacements. And then it was so difficult to get their health back on track. Forget weight loss and weight gain and all of that. मतलब पहले डिसाइड कर लो कि वेट लॉस करना है कि हेल्थ लॉस करना है एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली टेक स्टेप्स. So please do not fall for any unadvised supplements, anything that you don't know anything about. In fact, do you know that when you are formulating these, or when any company is formulating these meal replacers or some fat burning supplements, it is not necessary for them to list all their single ingredients in what quantity it goes inside. So really you don't know that what you are consuming. So please stop with these. Do not fall prey for all of this. मेटाबॉलिज्म इंक्रीज करना कोई मैजिक वे नहीं है. इनफैक्ट आई हैव ऑल्सो मेड अ वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू इंक्रीज योर मेटाबॉलिज्म एंड वॉट इज द ट्रुथ बिहाइंड दैट. आई विल लिंक इट ओवर हियर, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. So this is the biggest mistake you can do on any weight loss journey, which is to take supplements which are unadvised, unneeded, or something which are not controlled by the FDA. Mistake number 3, you go on some 1000 to 1200 calorie का diet plan. अरे ये सही है. First of all, I do not understand what do you really eat at such low calories. All this is going to do is disrupt your hormones. परमानेंट हेयर लॉस हो जाएगा, स्किन पे व्रिंकल्स आ जाएगा, स्किन विल बिकम डल. परमानेंट वेट लॉस की जगह परमानेंट डिजीज ज़रूर हो जाएगा. इनफैक्ट विमेन विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट मिसिंग देयर पीरियड्स एट सच लो कैलोरीज. बॉडी को लगेगा कि बाहर अकाल आ गया है, सो इट विल स्टार्ट स्टोरिंग फैट. So even though if you are losing weight on the scale, all you will essentially be losing is the muscle mass or the water weight, and your body is going to start protecting fat for future. So in short, you've completely destroyed your metabolism, and then you're not even back to square one. You are worse than when you started. Plus, what you're going to miss on your social life is completely different. And whenever you go to some event, the only compliment you're going to get is, अरे बहुत weight loss हो गया है, बीमार थे क्या? Understand that we always underestimate our calorie intake in our normal life, especially the amount of oil and ghee that we use for cooking. Hence, you will be eating much higher calories than what you think in your head. So please do not go on such low calories. They have only side effects, and weight loss is a side effect of it, not even a result of it. So start by creating a 100-200 calorie deficit and then gradually build up upon that. And once you've reached your goals, or once you've achieved your fat loss goal, what you can do is reverse diet so that you are back at increasing your calories for maintenance phase. Now if you want to know more about the reverse diet, you can always comment down below and I shall make a video on that too. Fourth mistake that you do, which is not giving you permanent weight loss, is going on the latest diets available in the market. Really, 10-15 साल पहले low fat food were in the fame, so that we started eating low fat diets. Now the research has come up with कि oh no, you need fats for your hormones, you need fat for different productions in your body, so you have to go on a low carb diet because now carbs are not essential. आप carbs के बिना कर सकते हो. Then after 10-15 days, some other company is going to come and pay these researchers, and now people will say, oh, protein is not important, you can maintain your muscle just without eating protein. So the diets are always going to change, the fat diets are always going to change. All the research is going to change because we are completely coming up with new concepts that are going to sell in the market, that are going to earn money. So please do not fall for any fat diets. Understand that weight loss is always a result of consistency, discipline, habit formation and little calorie deficit. No matter what diet you go for, unless you're not following all of this, whatever weight loss you're going to achieve is going to be temporary and it's going to come back. Especially if you're going to lose muscle or if you're going to destroy your metabolism by doing this. There are no secrets, there are no quick diets, there is no quick exercise, there is no quick 5-minute HIIT के तुरंत आपका weight loss हो जाएगा. So please stay disciplined, form a habit, रोज का काम करते रहो, make it a lifestyle, and do not fall for any fat diets. Find me one fat diet that has been supported by research and that has stood the test of time and is still surviving. Juice cleanse हो गया, keto हो गया, low carb हो गया, high protein हो गया, कोई भी diet. See which of these diet has stood the test of time and today it is still surviving. So if you want to survive long term, if you want longevity, if you want good skin, hair, health along with fat loss, do not fall for any of these fat diets. Go for balanced meals. Even if the process is slower, it's going to be permanent. So these are the few most common, very small, easily to miss out mistakes that you do and which are not helping you to achieve that permanent weight loss. This is just part 1. A lot more exciting points are going to come up. So please subscribe and stay tuned for that. I will link my other videos below where I have discussed some tips and tricks of losing weight, a PCOS diet and a lot of other videos that I have covered. You can always check those out. And if you need any help with your journey or if you're looking out for certain goals, you can always connect with me over Instagram. I'm always there, a DM away. This was a very candid video. I have talked about everything that's come to my head and that needs to be said. I felt like one-on-one I'm talking to y'all and telling y'all that please avoid doing this if you're looking for some permanent results. So if you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe below, and probably share it with someone who you think is going to benefit from this and who's on a journey and may need some little help. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fit.